Study of electric vehicle is going to be a demanding field in coming years. Numerous opportunities are going to develop in electric vehicle field. So keeping in mind the vision of electric vehicle engineering advancement, ISIE India, Imperial Society of Innovative Engineer, is here with Advanced Electric Vehicle Design course, which is a placement course. It is an exclusive program designed by ISIE India Technical Committee. It is India's biggest e-mobility research and development and skill-based education platform. ISIE India is working with various colleges, universities of 18 plus states through our skill development program conducted under our on-campus training, Center of Excellence, Student Research Association, Expert Talk, Academia Partnership Program and online courses. Our program is certified by ASDC and are recommended by MNRE, SMEV and 17 plus Auto Industries. Our specialized program on electric vehicle is endorsed by Niti Aayog. So why course on electric vehicle? Electric cars will soon overtake IC cars as EV are close to matching the cost of gasoline and diesel powered cars and are even cheaper to operate. And the second most point will be BNEF predicted that over the next 2 decades worldwide, electric vehicle sale will rise from 2 million last year to 56 million by 2020. And Niti Aayog has also suggested and proposed that three-wheelers sold after 2023 and two-wheelers sold after 2025 in India should be electric. National Electric Mobility Mission Plan NEMMP 2020 projects a sale of 6 to 7 million electric vehicles on Indian roads by 2020 and also plans to set up a capacity of generating 175 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2022. So these are the basic and major points that are considered by ISIE India to develop a course based on electric vehicle. And why Advanced Electric Vehicle Design course by ISIE India? As the course is being designed to upskill the engineers on the emerging technologies in the e-mobility to support the industry with job-ready manpower. And the program is designed by India's first e-mobility learning platform ISIE India Technical Committee, which is having more than 100 plus industry leaders and experts from India as well as global OEM, that is Hero, Electric, Mahindra and Renault and TVS. So based on the experience of these technical committee members, we have designed and developed this course to enhance the skill in the field of electric vehicle. The program overview of the course is, it is of 1 month duration course having 21 hours of learning module, which is going to be an online study, and it is having 11 units having 68 lessons, having 3 case studies and 2 mini projects based on trending fields on electric vehicle. So it is a vast course which is going to cover all the aspects of electric vehicle advancements. Course overview, what content we are going to cover in the course is, first we are going to cover suspension, chassis design and simulation, then braking dynamics, tire and its features, chassis dynamics, basic concept of EV and HEV, steering and its mechanism, codes and standards of electric vehicle, motor, battery and BMS for electric vehicle, and then simulating vehicle setup on MATLAB. So this is the vast course content that we are going to cover in 1 month. Program outcomes, what we are going to have after completing this course. We will be having learning about vehicle architecture, setup, block diagram, energy flow for electric vehicle. Then we will be simulating vehicle setup on MATLAB simulating using powertrain block setup. Then we will be learning about charging system and its technologies. Then we will be covering vehicle dynamics that includes steering, braking, steering selection norms and calculation, wheel dynamics and suspension system. And then we will be covering how to develop a monocoque chassis in CAD, design and analysis of a chassis. Then we will be covering how to do verification and validation of the design that we have developed. Then we will be learning about codes and standards for electric vehicle design and development. And then we will be learning how to select motor, converter, charging system, drivetrain, controller, etc. After that, we will be covering size and type of components which will be affecting the performance of the vehicle. Then we will be covering battery management system, energy management, control strategies, and power electronics. So it is a vast syllabus in which we are covering all the aspects that includes in electric vehicle. So what are we offering? We will be offering you 20 plus hours of on-demand videos, 68 lessons, practical based case studies, and industry connect. As the course is developed by industry oriented person, so it is based on industry, how industry are going to perform in electric vehicles. So you get how to design vehicle based on industry standards. Key highlights of our courses: assured job offers. So we will be offering jobs to top 5 students for electric vehicle design engineer and top 6 to 15 for electric sales and application engineer, having a package of 3 to 4 lakhs per annum after completing this course. Then we will be providing globally valid certificates as it is a recommended program by SMEV. So we will be providing you globally valid certificate. Then we will be covering and giving you mini projects and case studies for practical learning on electric vehicle and hybrid electric vehicle. And how to enroll in this course? For this, you just have to visit our site, that is www.isieindia.com, and after visiting, you just have to sign up using your mail ID, and then you have to go to browse course section. In the browse course section, you will find placement course section over there. Just go to placement course section and click on advanced electric vehicle design course. After clicking, you will be going to the course content of the course, a course description, and on the top right side you will find enroll now. Just click on it and you will be enrolled in the course. I'll show you how to do this. Let's have a quick look over it. Just visit the site ISIE India. I am in the site, so just click on login button. If you don't have your ID, then sign up, go to sign up option. As I am having my ID, so I will be logging in it, so with my mail ID. So I have input my mail ID, then I will be inputting my password. So I have logged in over here, and after logging in, we will be going through the browse course section, and in browse course you will find placement course over here. Just click on placement course and you will find electric vehicle placement courses. Click on electric vehicle placement courses, and then you will be taken to our placement course section in which you will find two courses. Just click on advanced electric vehicle design course, and then you will be taken to our course page in which you can find the course content, course description, the syllabus that we are going to cover, and on the right side of it you will find an enroll or buy now option. You have to just click on it to get enrolled in the course. So you will find buy now option over here. You can see, just click on it and the course will be added to your cart, and we will be taken to our shopping cart where you can see the details of the course that we want to purchase. So it is of 10,000 rupees, and just click on checkout to go to the payment gateway of ISIE India. Select the payment gateway of Resort Pay and pay by Resort Pay, and you will be taken to the payment details. Just input your details and you will be enrolled in the course. So this is how you enroll in our advanced electric vehicle design course. Just get enrolled in it and start learning about advanced electric vehicle course. Thank you.